Project Smart activity, and Project Smart is our in-school activity where we go to school and speak to children on different topics that we have by the student. Please, a round of applause for her.
Spectacular. Yes. Is somebody feeling fantastic? Yes. Is somebody feeling empowered? Yes. Let your answer be yes, because only those who are alive can have any form of feeling. Yes. Is somebody feeling alive this morning? Yes. Then give your hands to yourself a big clap. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you very much. I'm here to challenge you. Don't come to school another session and edit them anyhow. Have a goal. Somebody say, I have an academic goal. Somebody say, goal setting. Say it loudly, goal setting. Now, why do we set goals? It is because we want to achieve a desirable outcome, right? Yes. And the expectation is that as you have come for a new term, it is for you to be clear on what you want to achieve. That is a goal. Somebody say, I should have academic goals. I should have academic goals. Because the first thing that brought you into this place is not education. Yes. It's education. Every other thing is secondary, making friends, doing this one, all that stuff. Do you understand? Yes. Somebody's goal in life might be that I want to marry a very rich husband. Yes. Another person's goal might be that I want to be a very successful medical doctor. Yes. Those two people, will they go to school the same way? They will not go to school. The one that wants to have a rich husband will be eyeing and looking for rich husband. The one that wants to be a medical doctor will be what? Studious and very serious about academics, because the person realizes that without good grades I cannot be any doctor. I will be, if I don't do well, I will just become a native doctor. If I don't do well, so do you understand why goal setting is important? Yes. So number one. Number two, goal setting, especially in your academics, will keep you motivated. Someone say motivated. Motivated. The third one, goal settings will help you to find out more things about yourself. Somebody say, I will discover more about myself. Number four, goal setting will give you results. Somebody say results. And the fifth one, goal setting makes you a better person.
Project Smart with Senior Secondary School students of Government Secondary School Azubie, brought to you by FAECARE Foundation.